today we have this new brew by Brewworks known as oh no, there's no name yet. It's actually Red Dragon Fruit. So we are here supposed to drink this beer and name this beer, and we stand a chance to walk away with something, I suppose. And with me, it's not just us. We have lots of other friends. We have Motoman. That's Motoman. We have animals with us as well. We have the bear. And we have no one knows how to pronounce his name, his handle, and that's the rest of the people.
Are you interviewing me now?
No, we are not interviewing him. Very sorry. So yeah. So when is this gonna be until? I have no idea when this is gonna be until. And for those who are wondering if I've already drank a lot, no, not yet. This is still the first pint and I haven't drank yet. So come on down to Brewworks, drink this and name it, and you might stand a chance to win something. But like God knows what. Okay, so this is the beer. And as for now, I'm gonna drink and you're gonna watch. Sorry.